Hi friends, this is Akhilesh from askqueries.com. So today we'll be looking into how to get started with Java programming. So for that I will listed down some points that you will require to install it. Uh, so first is the installation of checking and installation of Java SDK, that is Java Software Development Toolkit. Then probably if it is not there on your system, so probably will download the JDK. Generally Java SDK and JDK are familiar terms used, and then we'll go with configuring Java home and JDK path in the system environment variable. Then we'll download Eclipse, and then we'll create a Java project, and we'll create a class called welcome to print out welcome to ask your queries. So probably let's get started quickly. So first we'll check the availability of Java SDK. So quickly we'll go to command prompt and we'll type in Java C. Okay, so here if you see, this is Java, it shows Java is not recognized. Java C, basically it's for Java compiler. So let's quickly download Java JDK. I put Java. So I generally refer as JDK. So it's the way it is being referred. So you can download Java 7. Oh, sorry, I went to Java JDK. Let me. Yeah. So you go to 7. I have it 7 config on my machine. You can also go for Java 8, JDK 8. So you go here, you click here, and then you can probably download depending upon your system. Is this for 64-bit, this for 32-bit. So oops. So how you can confirm that? So you go to computers, go to properties, and here you go. Yeah. So this is system type is 64-bit. So probably you can download 64-bit from here. So as I have already downloaded and I have it installed, so the install is quite simple steps. It's like downloading and installing any other softwares on your system. So we go to C and remember where you have actually installed the JDK. So as of in my system is program files. Here is Java, and this is the folder where I install it. So once we are done with this, so probably mark this as done. Sorry, mark this as done. Now let's go to second step. Now we have downloaded it, and now we need to configure our JDK path. So to configure JDK path, just copy, go to bin and just copy this from the taskbar and go to your computer, go to properties, and then go to advanced system settings. So probably you need to have an admin privilege to go here. So I click here. So probably you will get environment variables. So you go to advanced tab and then environment variables. Now environment variable, you will see a lot of variables set up here. So you scroll down to path, select it, go to edit, and just after the semicolon put the bin and a semicolon. So here you are done with your configuration of the JDK path. So now when you go to the your command line, probably let me bring this down. You go to command line, put Java C. So still it won't take it because you have to stop command prompt or close command prompt and then start it again. So I go to command prompt and just type in Java C. If it is configured properly, it will show you some output. So you're done with the configuration. Yep. So we are done with our configuration. We are getting this set of outputs, and probably now what we'll do quickly is this I will mark it partially done. So caps lock. Okay. Now let's download an Eclipse. So Eclipse is a good tool to start developing your Java projects and start Java programming. So it has a lot of features, plugins that will help you rectify your errors, validate your different set of compilation errors or some sort of that. So it has a lot of plugins with that with it. So let us go to Google and probably let me type in Eclipse. So here you will get the Eclipse, and then it's a freeware. So probably you go to downloads. From download, depending upon your system, Windows, Linux or Mac, you can download it. And then I will go for this one. I will go for 64-bit. So let me go for 64-bit as my system is 64. Select the link to download. Yeah, now you select the location where you want to download. So let me quickly go to the location that I have. Okay, here I go. Yes, Java setups. So probably I will download it here. So let it get downloaded. Yeah, so I have a good speed, so probably it will be much faster. So depending on the speed it will download, it may take like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so it will be quickly. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. Now meantime it get downloaded. So Eclipse basically requires a Java home variable to be set up. So if you see my second point, so it clearly specifies Java home. So by the time it gets downloaded, so let's configure our Java home here. So you do the same, go to your settings, go to advanced system settings and go to your environment variable and probably type in new, type in variable java underscore home. Now to configure java underscore home, make sure you give path till your JDK folder, not inside the bin folder. So let me quickly give it. Okay, and this is okay. This is okay. Okay, so we have our Eclipse downloaded. So probably let me go to the download folder where I downloaded it, and yeah, so here Java setups. Okay, now quickly extract the Eclipse project here. So let me extract it here. So I'll do extract here. Okay, so now I have extracted, and see you will be seeing this set of files. So now let's start Eclipse. So probably let me quickly mark our stuffs. So this step is done. We downloaded Eclipse and we'll go for constructing our first class. So you start Eclipse now. So when Eclipse starts, it will probably prompt you for your your workspace, where your all files will be maintained, your folders, projects and all stuff that will be maintained there, your libraries and other stuffs. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so it prompted the way I said. So probably let me quickly go to my this setup and let me create a folder quickly. So I'll go here and create a workspace. You can give any name you want, but I am giving as a workspace. So quickly go here, let me copy this first and type in workspace. So once you have it, configured, and probably it will start creating and loading your Eclipse. Here you go. So the first screen that you get the first time is welcome. So you just close it, or yeah, you can close it. So probably you will see a project explorer here. So now you need to create a project first. So you go to file, go to new, okay, and then there will be a lot of set of projects. So first you will go for, just a second, you will for projects, and then you select a Java project, because we don't want to create any enterprise level applications as of now. So we'll just go for Java projects. Do next. Now you have to give your project name. So I will give my Java tutorials. Okay, here we go. So now it will ask you for JRE, so probably we have 1.7, so we keep it as it is. Project layout, don't touch that, just give finish as of now. So if you see on the left, so it will prompt you, so like I don't want it again and again, so I won't have this preference. So now you have this your project. So basically, it being a Java project, so it will have a source folder and your Java runtime environment. So your all classes will be included here. Now if you go to source, so now the first thing you have to do is create a package. Package is something, a container of list of files, list of Java files basically, to be precise. So you know where to go to which module. Basically there is a like you have all the files in a module, so called a person can be a module. So person can have many things in that. So like that, there can be many modules you have, like in a shopping cart there will be different set of modules, like payment will be one module, shipping one will be another module, so that way. So let's now create a package quickly. So let me create a package called com dot okay, let me put this Java dot ask your queries, queries dot tutorials. Okay, so I can give an finish. So probably if you see, you will get this package. Now in package you create a Java file. So how you create? You go to class, give your class name. So class name, like there are certain conventions, like the class name should start with the capital letter. So probably we'll do that quickly. So let me give a name quickly. Get started. So if you see if you type in small, so if you see the name is discouraged, so by convention for a Java file it should start capital, and probably you can select these set of options. So probably you can have your public static void method called create automatically, or if you want, you can type on your own also. So let me do it finish quickly. Okay, so if you see your get started.java class is created. So if you see, there's a package name wherein which it is included. So packages are nothing but, if you see this com Java, this will be nothing but a file structure on your folder system. So let me quickly walk you through that. So if you see, this is your project, then in your project this will be bin and source. So something like source will be this one. Then if you go source, there will be com Java ask queries tutorials and your class. So this is the same structure. So this is the way it is structured. So now quickly let me go to my notes. So probably if you see, now we have created our Java projects. Now we have created a first class. Oh, I mentioned as welcome, so no problem with that. So we can also do a refactor. So if you do a refactor, you can probably go here, but welcome. So it will update the reference and you do finish. If you do this, so probably everything changes. So if you see, one thing you would have noticed, the class name and the file name should be same. If let me put a different one, so it will prompt you a error stating that define in its own file, means any class name should be should have the same name as the file name. Okay, so now if you go here, probably if the file name is also changed. So now let us quickly write our first output statement. Public static void main. So this is the method. String all, and then after that you will do system. So probably if you see this particular statement, right, public static void main, so this will be the method that will be invoked by a compiler implicitly. So you need not give any set of commands for a compiler to call this particular method. This is done implicitly. Implicitly means automatically. So now let me just type in system.out. The best thing about Eclipse, it will give you suggestions. So you need not remember methods or function what to put in for which type or something. So let me type in quickly print. So I will take it from here. Welcome to Ask Your Queries. Put in here. So now do a save and do quickly. You can do this. Go right click, do a right click, and there will be a run option. This is run as. So you can select a Java application, or else you can use run as. So you select this, it will try to run, and here you can see the output. Welcome to Ask Your Queries. So let me quickly update the sheet. And probably you are done with this. So hope you guys liked my getting started with Java tutorial, and please do like it and subscribe. So probably I will have many other tutorials coming up related to Java. So catch you guys later. Okay, bye.